The real reason your brain feels constantly fried is that you aren't actually resting when you think you are. You scroll through YouTube, swipe past endless Instagram posts, or try to unwind with your favorite food. On the surface, you are taking a break. Yet, your mind feels heavier than ever, and a strange tightness lingers in your chest. If this feels familiar, you aren't actually resting. Your brain is trapped in a false sense of downtime, constantly assaulted by an unrelenting flood of data. Left unchecked, this state leads directly to a complete draining of your willpower, the invisible wall of burnout. It is a point where no amount of sleep makes you feel refreshed, and the things you used to love suddenly feel completely meaningless. In this video, I will introduce a simple 5-minute protocol to completely reset your scattered attention and pull your mind back from the edge of burnout. You don't need any special tools. Just pause what you are doing, lower your screen, and let yourself focus entirely on my voice. Just 5 minutes is all it takes. We often look at lying in bed with a smartphone as a form of relaxation. However, from the perspective of neuroscience, this isn't rest at all. It is just another form of heavy cognitive labor. The vibrant images and rapid-fire videos shifting every second on your screen trigger non-stop dopamine spikes. Your brain is working overtime behind the scenes just to process these inputs, quietly draining your cognitive energy. We call this a dopamine drain, a subtle leak where your vital energy constantly slips away through an unsealed bottom. Burnout doesn't happen because you aren't working hard enough. It happens because you haven't given your brain a single moment of genuine emptiness. Your mind doesn't heal or organize information when it is constantly receiving data. It does so only when that input is completely cut off. Just like a computer that freezes when you leave dozens of tabs open without ever restarting, your brain desperately needs a fresh reload right now. Now, let us begin the 5-minute intentional slowdown, the micro-boredom protocol, designed to rescue an overheated brain. The steps are incredibly simple, yet profoundly powerful. The first step is cinematic isolation. Immediately flip your phone face down or move it completely out of arm's reach. Close your laptop screen. Your goal is to entirely isolate your field of vision from any digital display. The second step is the simplification of senses. Lean back comfortably in your chair or stare blankly out the window. You can close your eyes if you prefer. Erase the vivid, flashing colors from your sight and simply accept the stillness of the space around you. The third step is anchoring your attention to your breath. There is no need for complex meditation. Simply observe the sensation of the breath entering and leaving the tip of your nose. Countless stray thoughts and anxieties will naturally surface. Things like today's to-do list or a mistake you made earlier. That is perfectly fine. When a thought appears, don't try to fight or suppress it. Just watch it float by like a cloud in the sky. Then, gently and slowly, guide your attention right back to your breathing. During these 5 minutes, where only paper and a pen are permitted if you must hold anything at all, your brain finally cools its engine and finds its natural, steady frequency. Once this 5-minute reset is complete, you will notice a strange clarity. The thick fog in your head begins to lift. Your attention, which was violently fragmented in a dozen directions, pulls back together into a single, solid point. This is the true beginning of sustainable, calm productivity. It is a lifestyle where you no longer whip yourself forward in a blind rush, but instead deliberately manage your mindset and your energy. The busier you are, and the more hurried your heart feels, the more intentionally you must slow down. Giving just 5 minutes out of your 24 hours back to yourself can fundamentally transform the quality of your work and your life. That brings us to the end of today's story. When this video finishes, resist the urge to immediately scroll down to find the next thing to watch. Instead, keep your phone far away for just 5 minutes and sit in quiet stillness. Give your exhausted mind the one gift it has been begging for. If this quiet pause offered you a small punctuation mark in your busy day, consider subscribing and leaving a like to help preserve this quiet space together. I will return soon with another story to keep your mind grounded and peaceful. In a loud and chaotic world, I hope you never lose the beauty of your own pace. Thank you